All right, we got the unknown year KTM project with Cam. First time project in the garage with Dad. We're gonna rip it up. We got a box of parts and I see some pretty cool stuff. I see a fatty FMF series pipe and some really old, maybe hand painted, definitely hand painted orange KTM plastics. But right now we got a, I don't know, 2004, 5 KTM 65 that was in a shed for the last 10 years, as you can see by the dust. So we're going to check compression, spark, and everything else, including the suspension, which is all blown out. Get it fixed up, ready to rip.